Today we'll learn how to crochet a beanie that's incredibly quick and easy with no extra fabric. Unlike most crochet beanies, this one has no excess fabric at the top. Let's get started. My yarn is medium thickness and my crochet hook is size 3,5. First I cast on one stitch, then we chain 50 stitches. Now I start working 4 double crochet stitches. I'll continue crocheting until there are 10 stitches left on this side. Let's count together. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Into the 10th stitch, I place a stitch marker. Up to this point, I work 4 double crochets and the last 10 stitches are worked as single crochet. I skip 2 chains, insert my hook into the 3rd chain and make a 4 double crochet. I continue like this until I reach the stitch marker. Once I get there, I remove the marker and work 10 single crochets into that section. I reached the end of the row, so I chain 1 and turn my work. On top of the 10 single crochets we just made, I work 10 more single crochets. For this part, I insert my hook into the top of the first single crochet without yarning over first. I'm not going through both loops this time. Instead, I go right through the middle, catching only one loop. I yarn over and pull through. Once the 10 single crochets are done, I continue working 4 double crochets all the way to the end of the row. Again, I yarn over and work into one loop only. I keep going like this until I reach the end. Then I chain 1 and turn again. In the same way, I work 4 double crochets until I reach the section with the single crochets at the beginning. When I get there, I work the last 10 single crochets, and that completes the row. I repeat this entire process until I have a total of 46 rows. Here you can see that I finished all 46 rows. Now it's time to join the beanie. I fold the beanie in half like this. Since my working loop is on this side, I insert my hook into the opposite edge. I pull the loop through with a slip stitch and then I chain one. I start by joining the edges together. I insert my hook into the next ridge on both sides. At the same time, yarn over, pull through and make a slip stitch. I repeat this step, taking 2 stitches that face each other, yarning over and pulling through. I continue joining the edges all the way to the end. Once the seam is finished, I cut the yarn and tie the 2 yarn ends together. Then I grab my yarn needle . I thread a small amount of yarn into the needle and weave it into the inside of the beanie, right along the seam. When I'm done, I cut the yarn, pull the ends tight, tie a secure knot, and turn the beanie right side out. And just like that, our beanie is finished. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.